In this video, I will show you how to check and replace the drum support rollers in an LG dryer. The video will start with the dryer disconnected from the wall outlet and already taken apart. If you don't know how to take the dryer apart, click on the link on the right corner of this video to go and see the video that will show you how to take the dryer apart, then come back to watch this video. This dryer uses 4 drum support rollers. 2 rollers on the back panel and 2 rollers on the front panel. You will need a 14mm open wrench and a 10mm socket wrench. There are a few different ways to remove and replace the rollers. I am going to show you the way that I do it because I think it's the easier way. There are a lot of sharp edges in these dryers. Use a pair of gloves to protect your hands if you can. Lean the dryer against the wall like this, making sure that it's not going to fall down. Then you will need to remove these screws. Go ahead and remove the screws. Stand up the dryer. Now you need to remove these 2 screws. And turn the dryer around. Now you need to remove the heating unit. Remove these 2 screws. Grab and remove the heating element unit and lay it down like this. Push this tab up with a pair of pliers so you can remove the panel. Now grab the panel and take it out. I found this way of removing and replacing the drum rollers easier because now you could work on a bench. I'm going to start by showing you how to replace the front drum rollers. I'm going to use this plastic bucket to lay down the front panel on it so I could work better. You could use a bench or the floor, whatever is best for you, okay? Remove the lint filter. Remove the filter housing. You're going to need a 14mm open wrench and a 10mm socket wrench. Go ahead and remove the bad rollers. You will need to use the washers of the old rollers on the new rollers, okay? Go ahead and install the new rollers. Install the filter housing. And install the filter. Now the front panel with the rollers are ready to be mounted. Now you need to remove and replace the rollers on the back panel. Just watch the way that I'm taking them out and putting it back on, okay? Don't forget to transfer the washers from the old rollers to the new ones. Just watch the way that I'm installing the new rollers, okay? Now the back panel with the rollers is ready to be installed. Go ahead and install the back panel with the rollers. Set the back panel in place. Make sure that the panel is hooked into these two hooks. Also bend this tab down to hold the panel in place so you can screw it on. put the heating element in place. And secure it with the 2 holding screws. Go behind the dryer and screw in these 2 holding screws on the top. Lean the dryer against the wall like this. And screw in the rest of the screws that hold the panel in place. Now all you have to do is to finish putting the dryer together. If you don't know how to put the dryer back together, click on the link on the right corner of this video to see the video that will show you how to put the dryer back together. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel and I will notify you every time I make a new video. Thank you for watching. This is Angel the Appliance Man.